Hello gamers, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to create and modify dimension lines. So to create a dimension line, you'd first go on the annotate tab and go to the dimension panel. As you can see, there are many different types of dimensions you can do. It ranges from aligned, linear, angular, radial, diameter, arc length, etc. Right? So one of the main dimension lines that we use are aligned. Right? So basically what an aligned dimension is a dimension line that measures the distance between two parallel faces, right? So say this exterior part of the wall and then this exterior part of the wall. That is an aligned dimension because these two faces are parallel. They must be parallel in order to use an aligned dimension. So after I selected these two faces, I can now select in or like outside of like the walls, right? Like I can go with this, there, so basically just anywhere, right? Or anywhere vertical, I mean. So I'm just gonna delete these real quick. Okay, so the line tool can do many things. Like it can measure center from the center of the wall to another center of the wall. Like I'll demonstrate like now. So you select center of the core, you hover over the wall, and it'll show you like this dotted line. That is center line. So after you hovered over, you should click on it and go to the other line and click on that dotted line. So that's the distance between the two centers of those walls right there, which is 18 feet as shown. And there you create the dimension. So after you create the dimension, you could modify it now, right? So what you do is click on this dimension line, edit the type, and you could basically do anything you want. So let's try to make a new line type, right? So what we do is do duplicate, change the name into a different line type, right? So let's say dimension custom, right? Okay, and you see, as you see, the defaults are set. Dimension string type, it says it's continuous, leader type arc, no, leader type mark, etc, etc, etc. So as you can see, the dimension string type is continuous, right? So say we didn't want a continuous dimension string type. Let's just change it to ordinate, and let's change the color to red. Okay. Okay, and you see it changes the color of the dimension line, including the dimension type, right? So it's no longer continuous, now it's ordinate. Let's see the other things we can do with this tool. Oh, we can also change the text size. So right here it's currently showing 3/32 of an inch, right? So let's try to change that to let's say 1/4 of an inch. Alright, let's see. Wow, that's big. Well, that's 1/4 of an inch. You can change the text size of that. See what else we could do. Select it again. Blah blah blah. Ordinate looks pretty weird. I don't like it. Let's change it back to continuous. Apply. Okay. Alright, let's try changing it to purple now. Purple is pretty cool. You know what I mean? Red to, let's see, purple. Wait, is this purple or no? That's purple. Okay, right. Okay, apply. Okay, good. Whoop, whoop. Now it's purple. Well, that's how you create and modify dimension lines. Thank you for watching.